How to customize the metrics drill down info. As a tech leader, you understand the importance of using engineering metrics and KPIs to measure your organization's performance. However, it's not enough to just look at high-level metrics. To truly understand what's driving good or bad results, you need to dig into the details. This is where Keypup's drill down feature comes in. With this powerful tool, you can explore the engineering metrics details that matter to you and get a deeper understanding of your organization's performance. Keypup's templates come with a pre-configured drill down, which you can fully customize to explore the details that matter to you. When building your own metrics, you can also activate the drill down, apply the recommended configuration, or build your own view. Let's get started. Click on the data point of your choice in the metric to access the drill down. Then, click on the Edit button located at the top right of the metric and select Edit Drill Down. From there, click on the First Dimensions drop-down and select Author. Don't forget to change the dimensions column title and save your customized drill down. That's it, you've just learned how to customize the drill down. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.